Hey, how's everyone this afternoon, this Wednesday afternoon? It is a little warm, starting to feel like summer here in Kansas. Wonder how it is where you are. I am Bess McCarty, coach for network marketers, also called the shrink of MLM. And today I want to let you know what we've got going on in case you might know someone who can use this. We're giving away a bunch of free personal growth books and free tickets to an event for network marketers. So first I'll tell you about the books. there's a bunch. These are my own personal bookmarks, but we're giving away a bunch of books, including, not excluding these, but including a bunch of John Maxwell books and personal growth books. John Maxwell is the #1 leadership expert in the world, as some of you may know and already love. He sold millions and millions of books and is very, very loved as an author and personal growth teacher. And so why are we giving away these books? Because personal growth is essential to our business. If we do about 30 to 60 minutes of personal growth work a day, that is essential to assuring our success. And this is our way to help people to get that time in to be able to do that. People must be present at the event to win the book. Now the event is free too, and you can get a free ticket for that event in the link in the comments, and I'll post that in just a moment here. This is going to be an open house on Sunday in a month, Sunday, July 7th at 4 p.m. Eastern Time. And we're going to teach at that event. It's going to be, all in itself, it's going to be an incredible event. We're going to teach how to always get a yes when prospecting. This is the simplest, easiest method and most effective method that I've ever seen in my 40 years in this profession in network marketing. It's been getting proven results in our generic school for network marketers for a year now about appointments gotten, new recruits, and new ranks that people have found. So this is something that just one of the things that people are saying. Bess and Adrian Cogleton, our friend and student, said Bess and Jeff share powerful, priceless info to grow ourselves personally. Join us and you will see the benefits immediately. And James Pitsoulis says Jeff and Bess bring intangible qualities to the table regardless of experience. There isn't a single professional in this industry who wouldn't benefit from this. So thank you guys for those comments, totally unsolicited. And what are we? Well, first of all, who are we? Who are we to be teaching this? My partner, Jeffrey David Gamble, has 24 years of experience in network marketing and direct sales, and he's personally recruited over 500 people frontline. He's done over 10,000 presentations himself and has built teams to 11,000 in 7 countries in 3 years, and his teams have produced over 10 million in sales. Hey Doris, welcome. Glad to see you. And welcome everybody. If you're watching the replay, please type in replay because I'd like to thank you for that. This is just going to be a short little Facebook Live letting you know what we got going on in case that you know people who might benefit from it. Okay, so I was just describing our open house coming up July 7th, Sunday at 4 p.m. Eastern Time, and describing a little bit about who we are as teachers. And Doris is from Michigan. She is a longtime friend, student, incredible lady. You might like to know Doris. And I want to tell you a little bit about myself too. Bess McCarty, body-mind therapist, holistic health practitioner for 35 years now. Previously a network marketer full-time, award-winning one. When my company went out of business, I went into personal growth and I became a dedicated generic coach, dedicated to this. This is my calling. I'm not going to divide my time by being in a company. But personally, I've helped hundreds of network marketers have breakthroughs. They call me the shrink of MLM. I like that, so I kind of stuck. Help them to have breakthroughs past fears, blocks, negative beliefs to their success and dreams. I'm also a minister, healer, coach, teacher, martial artist, and Jeff, by the way, is also in the business, has several businesses in real estate and holistic and in teaching. So that is us. Now, who do we help? We help network marketers who are struggling, who are confused, who find that this is harder than they thought or harder than they've been told, who put off developing their business not really knowing why, scared to talk to people, always say tomorrow, always say tomorrow. Perhaps they're confused, don't have the confidence, not sure what to say, and overwhelmed by all the network marketing teachers and methods and people and advice that they're hearing out there, so they kind of get paralyzed, right? Hey Jeff, welcome. And so they could be overwhelmed by all the information out there. We help network marketers who are afraid to start a team, or who have a team but they're not doing anything, or they have a team but they're losing people faster than they're putting them in, or network marketers who are really, really trying but they're not getting the results that they want and they don't understand why, and they're kind of spinning their wheels. So what we're teaching at this open house on July 7th is something that we call the favor script. This was evolved by Jeff, brought over to network marketing from real estate, and he found that it works really, really, really good. And we have nicknamed it the always get a yes script, because it never gets a no, and because it takes away the fear. It's not about the people anymore. It's a super indirect script, the best one I've ever seen. It bypasses objections because it asks permission. It works with all 4 personality types, all genders, all cultures, all levels of influence. It works with people who have already said no to you, you guys, so you can go back in again and talk with them in this new, different way. It doesn't need a video, because it's found that only 1% of people watch the whole video anyway, so there's no more chasing people trying to get them to watch the darn video. It's simple, easy, duplicatable. This is what we're teaching on Sunday, and this is what you can get a free ticket to this event in the comments, which I'll post in a little bit. This is going to be Sunday, July 7th. 4 p.m. Eastern Time, and we're teaching it for free. So now that you know what we're doing, do you know a network marketer who can possibly use this? I bet they love it if you tag them on here in the comments or share this with them. If you have a team, he who shares this with the team the most wins, because this is going to be a game changer for the team. Now, anyone can get a free ticket at Eventbrite. This will be a link in the comments in just a moment, because I'm just about, we'll post it in just a moment here. And this registers them to win the free book at the event, because they must be present at the event to read, to get the book. This again is going to be, and by the way, the books, there's a bunch of books that we're going to give away. And when people register at that event, it enrolls them to be able to win a book. And anyway, people who attend the event, well, every single person is going to win by learning this method. So that again is going to be Sunday, July 7th. Mark your calendars now. It's going to be at 4 p.m. Eastern Time, 3 p.m. Central Time, 2 p.m. Mountain Time, and 1 p.m. Pacific Time. So we would love to have anyone who would like to join us, or anyone that you know that might like to. And welcome, Hans. And I'm going to sign off now, post that link for you so that you can get in line and get registered for that drawing for the free books. So we'll see you guys there. Take care. Bye-bye.